Hi, my name is Otokpa Attah. My student number is 220-371-068, and I'm here to present my main project for ECS 1021, which is automated water planting. As you can see, my OLED is displaying values and working, and my graph is here. Unfortunately, I won't be using a plant, but I will be using a rubber basin with water. As you can see, my sensor is inside the water, so it's wet now. Once I remove it, water starts pumping as it detects that it is dry, assimilating a plant. Once I put it back in, it will detect that it is wet, as a plant would be after watering, so it stops. For CLO1, I had made a unit testing class for my pump to check if a pin had been assigned to it and if the software should be working. I used two assertions to see if it is set as an output device and to see if it is truly connected to its assigned pin. For CLO2, I had used libraries such as Formata for assigning pins and devices, especially for drawing on the OLED, Princeton for creating the graph you see on the left, IO exceptions, and hash maps for the storage of values, such as the time and the sensor values. For CLO3, it deals with the storage of data, and I had used hash maps to store the time elapsed along with the sensor values. For CLO4, my system is event driven. From my if statement, it checks to see if my voltage levels are higher than a certain threshold. If this is true, it waters the plant for 1.5 seconds and stops. For my else if, the program checks to see if the soil is moist and continues watering. My else statement checks to see if the voltage numbers are below a certain number, meaning the soil is wet and stops watering. Lastly, there have been try and catch statements for each of these in case there's an error, allowing the program to run smoothly in spite of that. For CLO5, this focuses on object oriented concepts and refinement. For this, I had used abstraction in my project. For the task of sensing voltage and drawing the state of the plant on the OLED screen, I had assigned them to different classes and had drawn from them in my main class. As you can see on the left, I had assigned voltage task with the pin of my moisture sensor and had run the run function to be able to extract the sensor value. I had used a similar method for the OLED drawing. This had made my main method look cleaner and less convoluted. Thank you very much.